Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 1-bath, first floor apartment in Northumberland Park, North Riding, situated on Dexter Road, just a stone's throw away from Northland Square in Deco Park. It's 1 full bathroom, you've got 1 carport, plenty of cupboard space. So come on right in and have a look. Welcome to Northumberland Park. This is how the exterior of the complex looks like. The unit has 1 carport and has plenty of visitors parking. Now to the inside. The unit has been recently repainted throughout. The kitchen looks as good as new. You've got your extractor fan, stove, oven, space for 1 under-counter appliance, and plenty of cupboard space. You also have space for a breakfast bar that can fit around 3 bar stools. You have a pantry, double sink, and space for a double door fridge. The unit is also prepaid, as you can see. This open plan design takes the kitchen straight into the lounge, and the lounge leads out to the balcony. This is your view from your balcony. This is your view from the balcony. The lounge, kitchen, and bathroom have been tiled throughout, and both bedrooms have carpets. So this is the first bedroom. Pretty spacious. You can fit a queen-size bed, and the bedroom also has built-in cupboards. Next we have the shared bathroom. The bathroom is a full bathroom with your vanity mirror and your basin with cupboard space underneath on your left. On the right is the bathtub, your towel rack, your toilet, as well as your shower. Like I mentioned before, the unit has been tiled throughout. Bedrooms, bathroom, everything has been retiled. You also have an extra linen cupboard right there. And then now to the second bedroom. Both bedrooms are more or less the same size. As I've mentioned before, they also have carpets, but the rest of the apartment has tiles throughout. It also has built-in cupboard space. So this is a very nice unit, 2-bed, 1-bath on the first floor, and has plenty of potential. So if you'd like to schedule a private viewing, just click on the link below.